Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and this is my patient today. So we've got very narrow ear canals in this patient. Now the vision is not going to be great, but I just wanted to kind of show you how it can be with some of these really narrow ear canals. I do apologise, sorry, we got, I think both of us got frogs in our throats
We
today.
have today, yeah, a bit full up with not a cold, but I just feel, a bit congested today.
Oh gosh. So yeah, what we're basically having to do here is try and hold the ear open. At the moment, I'm just doing it with the suction tube, just to try and get a grip. It's not it's moving slightly, and there is a little gap around the wax, which is a good sign that it's gonna move. It's gonna move in the ear. So this would have been a lot more difficult if this was completely chock-a-block.
And you see that so often with a narrow canal, don't you?
Yeah. There we go. That's coming away quite nicely there.
A lot of skin in there as well, isn't it?
Yeah. This is a regular patient of ours actually. It comes every 12 months, I believe.
Okay.
So you can see we've already sort of cleared this quite nicely. Luckily there was nothing.
That's good.
Nothing more. Tiny little spot here and there, but yeah, a little bit more on this side. Very humid, you can see there. As we're trying to look in the ear, it's just misting the camera up straight away. But I think that's more to do with the oil the patient's been using.
Big old chunk of skin there.
Yeah, very, very sort of thick and sticky. I'm trying to peel it off the side of the ear canal here.
So just the fine end on here now then, Taylor?
I think it is.
Yeah.
I think it is, just because of how narrow the ear canals are. What you sometimes, sorry, I jumped in there.
No, you're right, it's your removal, but I talked over you as you carry on.
What we generally tend to find with the standard size tube, when the ear canal is quite narrow at the entrance, especially if it's a very flexible ear canal, you generally tend to find the suction with the standard tube tends to cause a bit of a seal almost, and it can actually, with the camera in there as well, it can close up the ear canal, which quite suddenly is a bit uncomfortable for the patient. So we're looking to try and avoid that, to be fair. So fine end.
It's like one of those vacuum seal bag things, isn't
that's it, yeah. So we've got a little bit of skin we're just taking away here now. Patient's feeling better already. Just trying to tidy up some of these last little pieces. There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't mind doing the narrow ones, but like I said, the vision is not great with them unless the wax is really deep in the ear. When it's quite close to the entrance, it's a little bit tricky. This little last bit of skin is giving me a bit of trouble here. There we go.
They always are, those little lifts, and you're always in two minds whether to start peeling them or not, really, aren't you?
That's it. So yeah, not a great deal. We got, what's that, 1.5 centimeters? I'm
going to go 5/8 of an inch on that one, guys. That's good, yeah. Well, thank you again for watching that video today. We do really appreciate you watching it. If you're a member, thank you very much. If you're if you're a subscriber, also thank you very much as well. But until the next video, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.